everyone! Today I'll be unboxing the Spring Fabfitfun box. If you guys are interested in this, I will also be sharing a $10 off coupon as well in the description. So the first thing when you open it is the Fabfitfun magazine inside, which tells you about the products you received and ways to use it. And this page here tells you the prices of the items that you've received in your box, so you can learn more about it. Okay, let's take out the first product inside that I see on the side here. This is the first one. 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. So I will check the price for this in the magazine. And the price for this is $135. So let's see what this looks like. Let's open it. Looks like you can use this underneath makeup for some radiance or just on its own if you'd like. Has a natural color to it, so it's not really tinted at all. Okay. Let's see what the next product is. Okay. The next product is this Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing 2-minute polish. And I did not see that in this brochure what the price of this is. Interesting. But this is what it looks like. The next product is this Deep Sleep Body Cocoon Multitasking Beauty Sleeping Savior. Apparently, it's for when you sleep. And actually, is the price of this on here? Do not see it. Okay. Doesn't look like... Oh, it's on the next page. I found it. So the Pure Lease one as well. This one right here. The price of this is $35. That's how much it retails for. And this retails for $40. Okay, so there's another page to it as well. Next one is the silicone straws. There's 4 of them. Let's see what it looks like. So it also comes with the cleaner on the side as well. And I guess you can store stuff in here as well. It's a plastic case. Let's see. looks like they're bendable, so you can bend it and store it inside and take it with you when you're traveling. That's cool. Okay. The next product is this AG Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner. And the cost of this is $24. Okay. Let's move on to the next item. The next one is this rose gold hairbrush. And the cost of this is $35. It's rose gold. Okay. The next product is this I Weighted Sleeping Mask. Now the cost of this is $39.99. So this is what it looks like. Apparently the weight is supposed to help you relax so you can go to sleep faster. Okay. The next item is this blanket. And the price of this is $99. So it's a gray color that you can wear around. Okay. It looks like that was the last item. Let's see if there's anything else. Nope, that was the last item. There's also coupons here as well that you get there as well. But that's it. That was the Fabfitfun box for spring. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.